Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new Hot Wheels RC, and this model is the Tesla Roadster. It says includes content times 1. I guess one of the track. It's 5 plus, 2.4 gigahertz. This one is the USB charging system. So it's compatible with the Hot Wheel track system. So this one is the $24.99. So it's pretty quite expensive. The Cybertruck and other RC model was like $19.99 back then. And it is made in China. So here is the content that is included. Here's the UPC code. Let's go ahead and cut the tape open. So here's the ROADSTER. The controller, up, forward, backward, left, right. So right here is additional to the track, and charging cable. Here's the instruction right here. I show you how to connect the track system. It's on the bottom of the vehicle that you need to switch it on, and then power on the controller right here in the middle of the button right there. And I guess that's how you pairing. So these two buttons are for alignment. If you need to shift it to the left or shift it to the right. Then there's a LED light right there. So I need to add the battery on this controller. So I need 2 of the AA. So I need to cut this rubber band out. What? So the back wheel is rubberized material, but the front is just plastic. So here's your on-off switch, and right here is your charging. It's only fit one way, so make sure you look at closely. So yeah, I will need to charge this up and then put the AA battery. I use a rechargeable battery so it does not leak with the alkaline and save the earth. Oh, there's also a button right here. What is that for? A boost? So when it's try to sync to the vehicle, it will be flashing like that. And press and hold to turn it off again. Then I'm going to turn it off and let it charge. So this is the vehicle. We'll be back. Alright, so you need to switch off and then the LED light will be blinking, and after it's fully charged, the LED light will stay on, indicating that it's fully charged. So when I switch this, I thought this was off and then this was on, so I made a mistake. So we're just gonna let it charge right now until it's fully charged. Alright, so when it's fully charged, you just need to switch it to on position and then turn on the remote. And now when it stops blinking, that means your car has been synced. So let's go ahead and test it out. Wow. Woo! I didn't know it could turn by itself just by switching. Well, so the front wheel doesn't turn. Only the one of the wheel, when you turn, either go left or right. Ooh, that's cool. So this is the only one with the USB charging. Other one, oh yeah. And this is the boost. Oh, look at that. So I guess when doing a track, if you need to go jumps over a bridge or something, you need to press this boost, get more power or juice. Let's see if we can jump this thing. Lots of fun, but I'm not sure if I have the old kids racetrack or not. I need to find it. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.